things I'm doing for Toys R Us. I'm out here braving this damn wilds. Oh God! Look at this. Look over here. We got a lake over here.
All right.
I don't think half of these people even look down the road to see what they're faced up against. I saw this way the red light back. Hurry up, buddy. Get your butt over there. Y'all need to pre-look at this shit.
Oh man, that's deep.
Oh, where's deep? It's flooding on us. Look right here, buddy.
The right side's really deep.
But look right over there to the left where everybody's driving.
Yeah.
Coming through it. This whole thing over here is flooded. Well, we're gonna be okay. I mean, shoot. I don't know. Hold on a minute. Uh-oh. Look at that white truck up there. Poor old Mustang. I jump over there and pause in the middle of the road. Force them off into the water. Okay. How many more miles I got to go?
A couple.
Couple? Shit. It's gonna be interesting.